Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyotihealing. In the series of Rahu and Ketu placed into each other's nakshatras, today we are going to see Ketu placed in the nakshatra of Shatabhisha or Shatataraka. So this video is for you if you have Ketu in Shatataraka or you have Ketu placed in the sign of Aquarius or you have Rahu placed in the sign of Magha, or you are someone who is going through Dasha of Ketu and you have your nakshatra, moon nakshatra as Shatataraka. Welcome back. Let us have some information about the nakshatra that is known as Shatabhisha or Shatataraka. As the name suggests, Shatataraka is 100 healers. It also means 100 demons, or it also means 100 stars. Being placed in the Aquarius sign, this nakshatra does have one side which is seen to the public, and there is other side which is hidden from public. Shatabhisha is known to be very secretive nakshatra. Whether you have moon placed in Shatabhisha, whether you have sun in Shatabhisha, or you have dominant planets into Shatabhisha, these people have secretive nature. They will hide things from their parents, they will hide things from their siblings, or they can hide things from their life partner, spouse, or they can hide things from the whole general public. They have excellent ability to deal with whatever is forbidden, whatever is hidden, whatever is secret. These guys have capacity to venture into all those areas. When you have Ketu placed into Shatabhisha, it indicates that you have lived a life in past that consisted of all these hidden things. Your nature was really secretive. You were working with big systems, business networks, friends networks, in a secretive way to get all the benefits. However, it also indicates that you have already dealt with those demons. Now you have mastered the art of being on the right path. You have already faced those demons and you know what is the result of taking a wrong path. And when I am talking about right path or wrong path, it means avoiding corrupt ways in today's era. Shatabhisha can take shortcuts, they can steal from people, they can rob people, they can do any amount of cruelty to achieve their gains. However, Ketu placed in Shatabhisha means you have probably done some of these things in the previous life. Now you don't want to do it. You are supposed to take the path that is right, that is non-corrupt, that is ethical, that is moral, and that is for the good of humanity. Ketu is asking you to focus towards others, don't put yourself in the center stage, but focus on others, do good for others, and through which you will achieve all the success, name, fame, or material gains. This nakshatra comes with intrinsic promise of being known to many, acting as healers, working as medical professionals. But all these people or all these areas or professions could have been ventured in the past in a wrong way. Now Ketu tells you to take the right path. And hence, if you have Ketu placed in Shatabhisha, your professions could be, in this lifetime, you could be working in a rehabilitation center. Because in previous life, you probably worked to sell substance of addictions. Now this is your chance to overcome those battles, hurdles or wrongdoings and do good things for the community. So let us list what are the professions when you have Ketu in Shatataraka. You could be working for a rehabilitation center. You could be a doctor, physician, you could be a psychologist or a therapist who is guiding people to let go of their addictions. You could be working in IT, building systems for healthcare, but to benefit the society. You could be working in the field of entertainment, however, you are making sure that you are providing for so many people. Ketu will not put any hurdles in various professions. Rather, you could be switching different fields, you could be switching professions, you could be doing multiple things simultaneously. Ketu will not let you do the attachment to a single path. Rather, Ketu will ensure that you do take up multiple tasks and still avoid the corruption and the bad path. Always remember, Ketu has Rahu placed in the opposite house, 7 from it. So you could have Rahu placed in the nakshatra of Magha. Magha is about royalty, richness, kingdom, achieving name and fame. So these planets are working together. Rahu is your future. Rahu is your this present life. So you are going to achieve success, you are going to achieve king-like status in the society, but by taking the right path, doing your duty, following your dharma, which is doing right things for the society. So you could be in IT, you could be in entertainment, you could be in medical or healthcare, you could be into stock market, you could be into finances, but you have to always remember that you work for others, give benefit to others first, and then you will get success, name and fame. This is a very powerful position. This Magha and Shatataraka comes with intrinsic promise of doing good for the society. So make use of it. What are the remedies or what are the things that need to be done in order to overcome the negatives of this placement? Well, the negatives are obvious. You could be tempted, prompted or guided to take a path that is not right for you, which could be corrupt, which could be abusive to others, which could lead into situation of entrapment. And if you notice that you are being tempted or you are facing such situations, the best option is less is more. Be satisfied with whatever you are earning, whatever material status you have, and stick to the right path. For Rahu, less is more. For Ketu, always fall back towards Rahu in a right way. Always look at Rahu in the right way. Ketu should be used to curb Rahu. And once you know this, you will be able to do better in life. Try to stay away from addictions. Try to stay away from all types of excess. And hope you will discover the better side of this Shatataraka or Shatabhisha nakshatra. It wants you to give you every power to heal the world, to shine like stars. So hope you have understood the purpose of your life. Ketu was your past, it was dark, but future is very bright. So work towards that future. If you want to know if you have Ketu placed in Shatataraka, please write an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. If you want to know more about astrology, feel free to comment. If you have had certain experiences with Ketu in Shatataraka, please comment. You can share this video with all the friends that want to know more about astrology. And please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Namaste. Shubham Bhavatu.